Yo, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing good forecast. Where are we expecting price to start moving to next? Is it bullish direction or bearish direction? So we are going to be doing the analysis together. Okay, so let's just get into the video. I know you're looking at this my trade right here. This is one of the funny trade I took last week. It was on Friday. You can see this risk reward ratio 1:31, but actually it's 1:24 after I added our spread to it. So one of the things you have to note if you're trading my strategy is just because price always give us like a snapper entry. So sometimes price won't pick your trade. That is the reason why you have to add spread to your entry. So if you're buying the market, always add spread to your entry. For some broker, their spread is if it's 3 decimal places like this, their spread can be like 0.180, some can be 0.200, some it all depends, especially on gold. So some brokers are like 2 decimal places, it can just be like 20, it can just be like 18, 17. So always add spread to your entry. If you're buying the market, and then if you're selling the market, always add spread towards your stop loss. So don't forget this. If you are buying the market, always add spread towards your entry. If you're selling the market, always add or spread to your stop loss. So no need of you adding it to your entry for selling. You only add it to your stop loss. But for buying, no need of you adding it to your stop loss. You only add it to your entry. So that's just for that. So this trade was so funny last week. It was on Friday. I saw this particular entry. I think one of my students also saw this particular trade. I'm going to show you before I start our forecast. So I set towards my take profit here. So I was thinking that price going to go above this high and then come all the way down to take out all this low. Then I'll find another place just like to enter into the market and then set towards my take profit using this particular high here, because I know that price is going to go above this particular high here. So I set towards my take profit here. Immediately price end up taking me out. Price just continuing growth on a bullish direction. So I missed this particular bullish trade. Can you see from right here to this particular high? I missed all these movements. I only caught from this particular low to this particular high. Then my students end up getting this particular moment. Let me just show you guys on WhatsApp because it sent me the chart. So you're going to see this is where it said it's going to take profit. Meanwhile, I'm already out of the trade. So let me just show you guys. So I think it was this person that sent me the chart. Let me just find it out. Okay, this is it right here. So this is the chart right here. You can see, yeah, we both enter into the same place, but I didn't send him the signal, so he was able to find out this one by himself. Price end up breaking can you see this eye that I use? Price end up breaking this eye, so price to respect this particular order block here. So price to respect the order block below it. So if you go down to lower time frame, I'm going to show you where exactly price respect on lower time frame. So you can see where he set his own take profit using this particular eye. Meanwhile, I set my own take profit using this eye here. So I was expecting price to take out this particular eye and then come all the way down a little bit, so I can find another place to enter into the trade before so I can buy again before price end up taking out this particular eye. So that is what I was expecting, but price did not do that. You can see price just keep on going on a bullish direction. So I missed this particular trade. I missed it. Okay, these are some of the other trade. I did video about these too. This particular setup, price end up stopping me out here. Get to my take profit here. Then immediately price starts come all the way bearish. One of my students also called this particular bearish movement. Let me just check. One of my students called this bearish movement too. Let me just show you guys. Sorry. Okay, right here. Yeah. Can you see this? The bearish movement right here. Can you see the bearish movement? Enter into this particular bearish movement. This is where price got my take profit. The video I did my last video, I set my take profit in this particular eye here. This particular eye, immediately price end up getting my take profit. Price starts to come all the way down. One of my students was able to see the bearish movement. So let me just go back to the lesson for today. Okay. So this is the chart right here. This is a trade right here. Can you see? This is a trade right here. I enter from this particular low. I use 1 minute entry. Set my take profit in this particular high. Then price kept on going on a bullish direction without coming all the way down, without giving me opportunity to enter into the market again. So I missed the major moment. I should have made more than enough during last Friday, but I ended up leaving the market early. So this is one of the things I always advise people to learn. Once you learn and understand my trade strategy very well, you are good to go. So there's not any point of me giving like a signal, because I create confidence. I build confidence in students so they can analyze trade. The only thing I can do for you, like once you analyze your markets, you can send me for review so that I can check if your entry is right, so you can enter into the trade. So I don't give out signals, but I encourage students to analyze the market. Then you can send me for review, just like to be sure of the entry you want to enter. So by that you can like the entry into what your trade by yourself, being the boss of yourself. Like this particular bearish trade I showed you earlier, I was not looking for a bearish trade, I was just looking for what a bullish trade. But one of my students saw that particular bearish trade, and then it was able to like to enter into the bearish trade. You understand? So that's just for that. Let's just go back to our trading view. So one of the things you have to like to control yourself about as a forex trader is like your emotion. For example, immediately I ended up missing this particular moment. I was like, because I knew that price is going to go above this particular high, so I was like, oh, should I just find the place just like to enter into the market, or should I just click on buy? Should I just enter from nowhere that price is going to go above this high? So you have to know how to control what's your emotion when you are trading. You don't have to like to be aggressive. Once you miss an opportunity, just find a way to get another opportunity. Once you force yourself into that particular opportunity. So that's just for that. This was the trade I got on Friday. Also, this was the trade I caught. I talked about it when I was sharing you on my WhatsApp. I got this particular trade. You can check my YouTube page. You can check my last video. This was the entry, and then I ended up setting what my take profit here. So somebody messaged me, said I'm a beast. It said price end up like stopping me out, and they start going on a bearish direction. This is where I'm supposed to set what my take profit, but I set my take profit here because I'm sure that price gets to go above this particular high, but I'm not really sure about this particular high immediately. So price end up gets to what my take profit right here, and they start coming all the way down. Even one of my students called this bearish moment. I show you guys. So one of the things about my trading strategy is just like, you know when to get in and the way to get out. So you should know when to get in. Some trader doesn't know where to enter into the market, and then some trader doesn't know where to get out from the market. They just know that price is going what's on a bullish direction, so they don't know how to enter into the trade, where to get in and then where to get out. So my trade strategy, I teach every single one where to get in and also where to get out. So price end up gets towards my take profits right here, and then immediately, can you see this bearish trade? One of my students called this bearish trade. Actually, I was looking for what a bullish trade. I wasn't looking for a bearish trade, but one of my students saw this bearish trade. I think he was able to take advantage of it and then make some profit. So that does it. So let's just go to the video of today. Okay, let me delete all this. Okay. All right. So once you have to know, you should doing forecast for good. Good has ended up breaking all the high. Can you see we don't have any high in the market? So let me just go to higher time frame. Let's check 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame right now, price end up going above this particular high. So this is the last high here. So price end up going above here. So what I'm going to be looking for right now in the market is a bearish moment. I'm not going to be looking for what a bullish trade anymore. I'm going to be looking for what a bearish moment. So the market right now is just like 70% bearish. It's indicated that it's no longer what's on a bullish direction again, it's going what's on a bearish direction. So it's like 70% bearish and then 30% bullish. So I'm going to be telling you the reason why. So on 4 hour time frame, okay, let's just move down to like daily time frame to start from daily time frame. So on daily time frame right now, from this particular high, can you see from this particular low, this low right there, this low to this particular high, how many high did the market end up breaking? Price don't break anything. So if you check the market from this particular low right here, right from this particular low on a bullish direction, price just like going on a bullish direction, and then there's not any past events right here that can judge the market with. So price go what's on a bullish direction, and then this particular moment from this low to this particular high did not break anything. So I'll be expecting price to go below this particular low on daily time frame. So daily time frame analysis is telling me that price is coming all the way below this particular low right here to take it out as towards a liquidity. So let's check our weekly time frame. So 1 week. So on weekly time frame right now, the low start from this particular place. Can you see from this particular low to this particular high? So this particular moment from this low to this particular high, no break anything. Also from this far left side, price just like going what's on a bullish direction. So on weekly time frame is telling you that price is coming all the way down to go below this particular low right here. Can you see? To go below this particular low to take it out as what a liquidity, because from this low to this particular high did not break any high. So weekly time frame is telling us that price is going what's on a bearish direction. So let's check 1 month monthly time frame. Let's see what the monthly time frame is saying. So on monthly time frame also, from this particular low right here, from this particular low to this particular high, did not break anything in this far left side. So monthly time frame also is telling us what a bearish direction. A bearish direction. So on monthly time frame right now, if price has to come all the way down, this is probably the order block that price is going to respect before going what's on a bullish direction back, or change direction and start going what's on a bearish direction. So this one can take a very long time before price gets into this particular area. So our major concern is like the weekly time frame, daily time frame, and then hour time frame, like 4-hour time frame, 8 hours time frame, 6-hour time frame, all those on. So that is our major concern. So what I'm just going to be looking for in the market is like what a bearish trade, a bearish trade. From monthly time frame to daily time frame to hour time frame, 4-hour time frame is telling us that price going what's on a bearish direction, because there's not any more high that price out to break. And also one thing you have to notice, just like price can end up creating mechanism liquidity. What I mean by mechanism liquidity, just like for example, a lot of traders know that price is getting towards a very high place, so price outside to come all the way down, so they're going to like to be selling the market. So price can end up like stopping them out. Price can continue to go on a bullish direction, and then after that we start coming on a bearish direction. So before I end this video, I'm going to show you how to enter into the market, how to wait for your confirmation before you enter into what a bearish trade. And also you can enter into what a bullish trade also if you're able to see your strategy play out that is showing a bullish trade. So you can just take a short-term bullish trade just like to buy the market. But for me, I'm looking for what a bearish trade in the market, so I'm not really looking for what a bullish trade. As I've said earlier, the bullish analysis is just like 30%, while the bearish trade is just like 70%. So I'm looking for what a bearish trade in the market. I'm not really looking for what a bullish trade. But if price end up giving like a signal that is going what's on a bullish direction, I can take a short time bullish trade also. So that's just for that. So on monthly time frame right now, price is going to go below this particular low. Let's go back to weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, price telling us that it's going to go below this particular low right here. On let's say daily time frame. So on daily time frame, price telling us that it's going to go below this particular low. So this is where we're going to set what our first day profit. So we have to analyze the market just like studying this particular low, from this low to this particular high. So you're going to like to find a range. You're going to call this one what a bullish range. From this low right here to this particular high is going to be what our bullish range. So let's check our 4-hour time frame to see where price end up forming what a bearish candle in between this particular high. Okay, 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame right now, it was this particular area. Can you see this low right here? This is the only bearish candle we are seeing in this particular range. And then we can't just wait for price to come all the way down to break this particular low and then find a reorder block before we enter into the market. So you have to like to adjust what our range from this particular high, from this particular low right here to this particular high. So this is going to be what our new range. So from 4-hour time frame, you have to go down to the lower time frame just like to find a place that there's opposite candle in between. Like from this particular low right here to this particular high, you can see all the candles are what a bullish candle. So you are looking for what opposite candle as a liquidity. The price is going to try to tap out as a liquidity. So this is 4-hour time frame. Let's check on 3-hour time frame. So 3-hour time frame also, all the candle are what a bullish candle. Let's check on 2-hour time frame. So on 2-hour time frame right now, we're able to see this particular low right here, this particular low. So you can wait for price to break out this particular low right here. If price end up breaking this low, so you can find what a reorder block. So we have 4 different ways on how to identify a reorder block in the market. I'm giving out 2 for free on my YouTube page, and then I'm training all my students on the 4 different ways on how to identify a reorder block. So if you want to get more insight, you can join my mentorship just for you to learn and then to understand my trade strategy much better. So you're going to have more access to me to ask questions, to send your chart for review and all those stuff. So the 2 ways on how to identify reorder block that I end up giving on my YouTube page is like, if price end up doing something like this, let's assume price go up, refuse to break this particular high, then come all the way down, break this particular bearish candle. So you'll be expecting price to return back up to use this particular order block right here as what a reorder block. So from here you can enter into what is sell position to sell the market and then set what your take profit here. But I will advise you before set what your take profit using the 100% movement right here. So this is what I always advise my students. So I'm giving you also the advice. If the market end up giving like a 1:10, so you can enter into the trade and then set what your take profit here. If it's up to 1:10, so you can set what your take profit here. Even though you know that price is going all the way below this particular low. The reason just because sometimes price can end up getting to this 100% movement and then retrace a little bit, like this before coming all the way down. Some trader doesn't have the patience to hold the market to see that the trader end up giving them profit is already reducing. The profits already reducing before getting towards your take profit. So that is one of the reasons I always advise traders to always set for their take profit 100% level. So that's just for that. So the second way on how to identify a real order block that I end up giving out for free on my YouTube page is just like okay, let me delete these moments right here. Let me delete this eye. So let's just assume that from this particular low, let's make this one a new range. From this particular low right here to this particular high, it was a bullish range. So let's go down to lower time frame. This 2 hour time frame. Let's just check 1 hour time frame. Okay, there's not any bearish counter in between. Let's check 30 minutes. Okay, so we're able to see 30 minutes time frame. We're able to see one right here. Can you see this low? This bearish candle, it's a liquidity. So let's just check our 15 minutes time frame. Let me use it to explain the second way on how to identify real order block in the market. So our 15 minutes time frame right now, let's just assume that price end up coming all the way down. All these bullish candle you are seeing here, there's not any bullish candle here. So the market started from this particular bearish candle you are seeing, this last bearish candle. Price starts to come all the way down, forming bearish candle, then break this too low. This too low right here. The first bearish candle, then the second bearish candle right here. So all these ones are low. Some traders are questioning that why am I using one single candle as a low? Just because there's a reason why that candle out to end up in a bearish candle. So that is the reason why. And then I think one of my video I've explained the reason why I'm using opposite candle as a low. The price end up breaking too low. So this is the first low and then this is the second low. So we are just imagine that this two bullish candle right here is not there. So price is going to come all the way back up to tap into this particular order block and then to start coming all the way down. So this is the second way on how to identify a real order block in the market. What I just explained right now, if you don't understand it, I will advise you to watch some of my videos just like for you to get more insight about this second way on how to identify a real order block. So that's just for that. So what I'm expecting on Monday is like I'm expecting Monday candle to end up in a bullish candle. So if Monday candle end up in a bullish candle, that means I'll be expecting the rest of the week to sell. So the rest of the week is going to be like a bearish candle. So I'm going to be looking for a way to sell the market. And also if Monday candle end up in a bearish candle, so there's high probability of the remaining part of the week to continue growth on a bullish direction. So just have this in mind. So just have this is just like my own personal thought. This is what I'm expecting to happen on Monday. So if Monday end up in a bullish candle, don't forget bullish candle. I'll be expecting the rest of the week to be bearish. So Monday can be bullish, Tuesday can also be bullish, just like giving a confirmation, just like to sell the market. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday can be what a bearish candle. But if Monday end up in a bearish, then Tuesday also end up in a bearish. That means Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is going to be somehow like a bullish candle. So that's just my own personal opinion. And then you can just wait for the market to play out. So once market end up playing out our strategy, you can enter into the market. So I'll give you like 2 ways on how to identify real order block in the market. So just be expecting one of them to play out. So if you see one of them, so you're going to try to enter into the market, just like to sell the market. But if price end up give you like what a bullish trade, so you can enter into what a bullish direction also. Because I personally, if I end up seeing what a bullish trade, I'll enter into the bullish trade. And then some of my students also, they will enter into the bullish trade with me. So that's just for that. I promise you guys that I'm going to like to show you how I was able to see this particular setup right here. This setup right here. This setup I got on Friday. Okay, let me just do justice to this one. Probably can learn from this. What Apple right here is the same thing that Apple right here. Let me show you. Okay, right here. Can you see? Let me go back to like 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see that price end up creating this particular low. This is the last low. Then price starts to go what's on a bullish direction. We made this particular trade because my entry right here from this particular moment, it was very below, I think 4 pip away. So we made this particular trade. I did the analysis on my YouTube page, but we all missed it. So but I was able to enter into the markets from this particular area. So the same thing that happened right here is the same thing that happened also right here. So price start go what on a bullish direction, then start to come all the way down a little bit. Can you see price start to go what on a bullish direction, then start to come down a little bit? Can you see? We have this week low, the same way this week low. So price was going what on so price was going what on a bearish direction. Then I was able to take opportunities to study the market, to see to find a place just like to buy the trade, to enter into the market back. So the same thing happened right here, and then my students also were able to see this particular opportunity. Price was coming all the way down. We are expecting the price to go what on a bullish direction to take out this particular high, actually. So you're looking for a way to just like to buy the market. So I jumped out like 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I think the analysis started from 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, so on 30 minutes time frame right now, I was able to see that price end up breaking this particular high. Can you see this doji candle? This bullish candle. So price end up breaking this high, meaning that this particular doji candle also right here is not what a real order block. The price is going to go below this particular low, so price is going to tap out this particular bearish candle out as a liquidity. So once you have to notice, just like every single candle in the market, there's a reason why those candles are ending up either in a bullish candle or in bearish candle. So price is very precise. So there's a reason why all these candles are ending up either in a bullish candle or a bearish candle. So I was expecting price to go below this particular low right here. So price to go below this particular low, then my other block was around there. So I moved out to lower time frame just like to find a perfect place just like to enter into the market exactly that price is going to. I think I make use of a 1 minute time frame. Let me just jump to 1 minute time frame. Normally I'm supposed to be going down to lower time frame from 30 minutes to 15, 15 to 5, 5 to 3, 3 to 1. So let me just jump down to like a 1 minute time frame. So a 1 minute time frame right now, I was able to analyze the market to see where exactly price is going to. So a 1 minute time frame, price end up breaking only this high. So I studied this particular range, okay, from this particular moment right there, from this particular high. Can you see from this high to this particular low? So this is the only high we have in the market. Okay, we have this one too. You have another one right here. So we have another one right here. So I'm expecting price to just like tap out one or tap out the two. So price end up being above this particular high. So where is the other block that is responsible for this movement? In this particular other block right here. So price not going to respect this particular order block because it end up breaking only one high. So price don't respect it, price will respect the order block below it. So this is how I was able to see the setup. So I reduced my order block all the way below it right here. Then my stop loss was right here. So I end up entering into the trade from this particular area. Let me set my entry very well, because at the end of the day I end up adding like entry, spread to my entry. So don't forget that if you're buying a market, always add spread to your entry, and then if you're selling the market, always add spread to what's your stop loss. So I enter into the market right here, and see price tap into it and then start going on a bullish direction. It was a very strong buy. It's a very strong buy, and then price end up taking me out right here. This is where I set what my take profit. So price end up like taking me out right here. I missed the remaining movement. So this I was able to see this particular movement. So it's very simple. Once you're able to master my trade strategy, you're going to be catching all these movements. And then if you check out the ratio is very huge. Okay, let me just show you guys. So set what's your entry right there, then set what's your stop loss below it. Okay, and then set what your take profit using higher time frame take profit. So I set what my take profit right here. Can I see it's showing 1:34? Actually it's 1:24. After I added spread to my entry, I think it's actually 1:24. I added spread to my entry, so it reduced the ratio. So this I was able to see this particular setup. It's very easy, guys. Also able to master my trade strategy. You can be catching all these movements right here. And then as you guys know that the smallest ratio I can take in the market is just like 1:10. If market is not giving like 1:10, I'm not entering into the trade. So that's just for that. So if you find this video interesting, please like this video, and then if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. I'll really appreciate that. And then for you to understand my trade strategy, watch some of my video for you to get more insights about it. And then if you want to join my mentorship program, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Check out the link in the description just like to join my mentorship program. So see you in my next video.